Congratulations sa inyo, General Marbil. Sa lahat po ng ating mga panawid pandangal, sa mga kaibigan natin sa media, at sa lahat ng mga staff ng ating pong pasilidad na pinasisinayanan ngayon, isang taus-pusong pagbati po. Ako po si Councilor Atty. Vincent Belmonte at pinapaabot po ni Mayor Joy Belmonte ang kanyang taus-pusong pagbati at pagsuporta sa ating pong pinasinayanan na Inoue Health and Wellness Center. No? At bagamat hindi po siya nakadalo sa ating pagtitipon at okasyon ngayong araw nito, gawa ng kanyang prior commitments, ay nakikisa po siya sa ating pagdiriwang ngayong araw nito. At para kay Mayor Joy Belmonte, ang kaunlaran, ang tunay na kaunlaran ng Quezon City ay hindi lamang nasusukat sa mga infrastruktura at sa mga pinasisinayanan natin mga bagong negosyo. Kung hindi, higit sa lahat, ang kaunlaran, ang pagunlad ng Quezon City ay nasusukat natin sa kalusugan at sa
Thank you so much for inviting us. Congratulations to Inoue. Congratulations to Ms. Jin Yu and the founder and Mark Kalinaw. Makasama ko po dito, of course, Attorney Belmonte, my wife. Today, people are not merely searching for ways to look younger. They want to feel stronger, remain active, improve their quality of life, and enjoy their success with confidence and vitality. This is why beauty and wellness must go beyond appearance. True wellness begins from within. The goal of Inoue, ako po sabi lang sa inyo, should not simply to be health. People look better, it should be to help them live healthier, feel more confident, and make informed decisions about their bodies and their future. Inoue has enormous potential. It can create jobs. Of course, natutuwa po si Mayor Belmonte dito. Attract medical and wellness, tourism, support scientific advance.
Jean Mark and Gian. So actually, you mentioned health and wellness. So, actually, when Ben sent us the invite, I was saying that I'm not but I saw health and wellness. So she got me there, health and wellness. I'm a sheer advocate of health and wellness. So with this, I'd like to congratulate you and hopefully this new chapter of your life will bring healing, hope, and renewed vitality to each and every one of the lives you touch. So congratulations.